Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something that's a carry on from the 6th of May. 6th of May of course was our Coronation Day for King Charles III. To celebrate that day, two things have happened. First of all, I've already shown this set off once, but I've got a second one of the Coronation £5 coin and the Coronation 50p. I did on Saturday, on the day of the coronation, do a video about these two particular coins, so I won't be doing that again. With that I got a UK EC presidency coin. Presidency gold card from Change Checker. Now I believe Glenn still had this on his list. Glenn, if you still need it, can you let me know and I'll get the coin, I'll get this card posted out to you. Now the second part, the Royal Mint has done their part, which has just been shown. This is the Royal Mail. This is what the Royal Mail has done. Let me just open that just slightly, take that out of the way. Here is the first of the 4 postcards that show off the stamps that were released for His Majesty King Charles's new reign. This is a first class stamp with the King's portrait in the corner, and it shows the coronation itself, Westminster Abbey and people celebrating. The second postcard shows a cityscape along with the diversity and community. These shows there's people like Sikhs here, there are some African religions, there is Judaism as well I think, and you have some Muslims as well. So you'd have Muslim, Jewish, all the diversity that we have in the United Kingdom, and this is what this particular stamp is all about. Charles has been throughout his, before he came to the throne, he talked in great depth about diversity and community, and at one point wanted to be known as the defender of faiths, all faiths in the UK, but that perhaps wasn't as possible as he'd hoped. And it wasn't within his oath of office as the king on Saturday. The next one that is close to Charles's heart is the Commonwealth, and there you got depictions of the Commonwealth Games, you've got depictions of the Commonwealth organisation and people working towards the Commonwealth and what it's all about. This stamp is £2.20 rather than being first class. And you've got buildings, as I said, you've got the Commonwealth Games represented there. So there's quite a bit in it. And the fourth one, and the last one, is also a £2.20 stamp, and it's a sustainability and biodiversity. So you've got beekeepers, you've got people who are doing the wattle and daub or using fences, using things like hazel and things like that. You have the farming, and you have towns, and you have the countryside at the top there, or coastline maybe even. Yeah, the coastline. The last one of the 5 postcards that came in this set is a complete one of all 4 stamps with King Charles's coronation. So this is where I have to be careful because my address is on this one, and I don't particularly wish to have that known, and I have been known in the past to show it. So there we go, address is covered. We have the 4 stamps there with a on the date postcode of the 6th of May 2023. We also have the postmark here on the outside. This is very much a floral pattern going around the stamps. This is one of about 4 or 5 different versions that you could buy. This one at the bottom in this corner here, if I do take it in, says Royal Mail First Day Cover, His Majesty King Charles III, A New Reign. So these were the coins that were issued on his coronation to celebrate what he believes in and what he wants his reign to be about. And that's what these coins, these stamps are. What do you think of these? I know this is a coin channel rather than a stamp channel, and this might not appeal to everybody. But it's important that this was celebrated, and it was always going to be celebrated, and there's always going to be stamps issued. So I've shown you the coins here. Again, they're very important. I've shown you the stamps here. Now, I would think the vast majority of you would prefer the coins. But tell me, do you like these? Would you have thought of buying a first aid cover, or will you get the stamps now that you know that they're out? Tell me in the comments below. So, if you believe you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a penny. I am trying to grow my channel again this year, so if you believe that I deserve it, I would be delighted if you subscribe to the channel and join the subscribers I already have. And hopefully in doing a minimum of 4 videos a week, I've got a feeling this particular week there's going to be more than 4. Then, please do so. I would love to have you along. I'm trying to grow the channel to between 250 and 200 and 250 subs by the end of the year. I think 250 is a good target to aim for. However, I'm not guaranteed to get it without your help. If you believe I deserved it, then please think about subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins or buying stamps or whatever else it is, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.